I'm trying to dodge this smoke from the cigarettes, but I'm trying to smoke weed and that you can bet. See, I never stress, but this a test you can't pass, so I look at you like never test. Boy, it's technique nonetheless. I got pressure on myself so you could never press. I got the bench bar going hard. I got about 300 pounds on my chest. Oh Lord, I push it off. I never struggle. Boy, I'm in the game scoring like they say he caught a triple double. I say I got about triple muscles. Come through like the muscle of the team, American Chevy. Boy, I got these rappers up in my belly, trying to told you that I'm illy like Billy. I kill them like Ock did. Yeah, you come up in Ock crib and that bad bitch that slit throats, I might dock dig. What I'm saying, I might dock dig. I might put it in the border. Baby, I straight slaughter any pussy that come around the town. Boy, I'm about diamonds like a fucking baseball mound. Boy, I drink on. Yes, me in that same black tee. Same black tee.
It's a hot beat.
Same black tee. Yeah, I'm dancing on that bitch. Black tee. Black tee, boy, you can catch me in all black, that's me. A fucking black tee, black shorts, black sneaks. Black tee, black shorts, fucking black sneaks. Black shorts, black tee, fucking black sneaks. That's me, in that all black tee. Boy, I got this chrome with me, it's all black piece. Boy, I come from that Carolina shit. Yeah, North Carolina, all black fucking piece. That's that Panther shit. Run over it, punk boy, and I'll hit you with that punk boy. Boy, you're looking like a fucking toy, like an action figure. I killed them shits when I was sick. Fuck an action nigga. Yeah, bitch, I'm straight packing nigga. And what the fuck you talking about, militia gangsters? Stay macking nigga. I'm with them fucking draft picks nigga. Arson is all in the booth, bitch. What's the truth? I look at you, what it do? They say that nigga technique can't rap, he fucking foolish. And if you think you can beat me, bitch, put up about 120, that's some cool shit. Yeah, bitch, I do this. They say, what about 5 stacks? I say, you wanna lose like that? Bitch, I got racks on top of racks. I bet you 10,000 and I ain't even got it, Jack. Yeah, bitch, cause I know I'ma win. Bitch, I'm going hard off a fucking gin. And say I go in fucking sober, militia fucking soldier. I told you you don't want it, yeah, I told ya. Bitch, I show up and fold ya. Drank you like some Folgers to get my motherfucking high on. And bitch, this, I might blow a kiss to this. Bitch, I'm as sick as it gets, you can't cure me. Looking at me like you heard me. I say you do, but you acting like you don't. If it's more, then you don't wanna roll up on this fucking tune. Boy, I pack 2 heats. Draft pick, live by the gun and die by the same piece. Y'all bitches ain't shit, y'all just dang shit. Militia gangsters what it is until I'm under dang sheets. Boy, it's just me and I run streets. Boy, you don't want tech on the hard beat. Boy, you don't want to flex and come and test me. Bitch, you gotta rap, you looking at him, I am technique. Yeah, they hear me and I spit it from the stomach, so I feel it like I'm fucking about to vomit. These bitches looking at me like they want it, so I walk up in the room.